Hey, my name's Sophie and welcome back to the 24MX Garage. Today I'll be reviewing the A9 motor oil. This semi-synthetic oil is formulated to offer both modern and old engines characteristics and performance. The oil is a mixture of mineral oils and synthetic oils, which leads to high durability and low friction. So these characteristics mean that the engine parts move with less friction for optimal performance. This also reduces the risk of wear on the engine's moving parts, and it's suitable for both motorbikes running on-road and running off-road. You can purchase this product from www.24mx.com. Stay tuned to the 24MX Garage for more videos.